Now, what do you think about like even also the increase of like, Forex traders like in the country now? I have to ask because, for somebody who's having a very
Yeah,
simple approach of buy, hold,
yeah.
it's gonna gain value over time, compounding interest and everything. When we have Forex traders who are flipping like, they're saying they are making like, crazy amounts, you know, who said, what's his name? Kenyan Prince said he made 40 million in one day. And I was just like, you know what? There is no way
Okay.
possible. I'm just trying to think of everybody that I've watched on YouTube. It makes no sense at all. In crypto, it might.
It might.
It might.
Yeah.
But also for you to make the 40, it means you have a portfolio
You have a stake. Yeah.
of close to like a billion crypto.
Yep. You have a
Close
proper
to,
stake.
yeah, proper. So that if we're talking about like 4, 5, 6, 7%, because let's say, let me just check like Ethereum, what the percentage has been over 24 hours. It's just heartbreaking, but
Bro, look at those bars. Just straight up. That's painful, man. I'm really sorry. Buy and hold, bro. That's the whole thing.
no. So I do have like a bunch of ETH also like on the
Okay.
side,
Okay.
but I had taken 2
Yeah.
to just trade because I knew Federal Reserve meeting is just about to happen. So I'm like, with these 2, I'm just trying to buy as low as possible because I know it's gonna shoot up in like less than 24 hours. So none of my targets hit for buying. None.
Bro, but
And then it went,
such a rookie
it
mistake, bro.
went just like, phew.
Bro, unless you have Jerome Powell's number, the Fed chair,
yeah.
then that's when you can be able to like, okay, you know what? I'll sell before he speaks
No,
because I know what he's gonna say.
I'll tell you something interesting. And then
Tell
you
me.
can also tell me
Yeah.
like if it applies on your, do you use AI at all to research on stocks, how they're moving?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now what I did is I was doing something called, it's called like a trailing stop.
I know trailing stops. Yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I go to ChatGPT.
Okay.
I gave it like my just the market
Yeah.
of it, how it's doing in the last 24 hours. And then I
Uh-huh.
ask like, well, what's the analysis of the market today? And if the Fed is about to have a meeting in the next 48 hours,
Mm-hmm.
what would be the best positions for buying
Yeah.
if I'm using trailing stops?
Uh-huh.
So I'm at 17. My personal target is buying at 17.
Mm-hmm.
So ChatGPT says like, according to everything that it's seeing, I could try and buy at around 18 something. Like, it didn't make any sense because the trailing stop was talking about like me
Yeah.
buying at 1800.
Uh-huh.
I'm like, but we're at 17, so I'm trying to get lower. So if
Yeah.
anything, it's like 1698 or something.
Yeah.
But like, the first, I asked for 3 options. Told me like 18 something, 17, 89 there. And I'm like, ain't no way because we're at 17.
Oh yeah.
So it's prone to go down.
Yeah.
Bruh.
And
I
that
should
happened.
have followed ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Because actually the data that it gave me was like almost like, because it said like might spike, but you might not lose out. And then it's just like, even if it shoots now when it goes down to 1 point, what do we call it? Like the difference of the percent. If it goes down a certain percent, just sell and take out the profits.
Yeah.
So it gave me the exact, and it even gives you like the table and everything. I did not follow that. So I put close to like, I divided the ETH into like 4 bits.
Okay.
Quarters. None of them hit.
Damn.
None of them hit. But like whatever chat, if I just followed, now I'd have been up like probably 700, 800.
Yeah, just by in a matter of a day.
When we're doing this podcast.
Exactly.
Now I've just lost out on that. And then I don't know if I'll wake up tomorrow, we're at 5,000 on ETH. So
you never know. So that's why I'm like saying this whole principle for me, like how I do it is like, number one, I don't try to time the market. I'll get in on a price where I feel it's fair. If it's a fair value price,
but how do you know though?
For stocks, it's super easy because you can use discounted cash flow calculators, predict like basically time value of money for the company's price right now, 10 years into the future, and then you see if you're buying it at a discount. based on the growth rate. So like there's so much in terms of like data and information
but
can
it can
get.
provide information that's reliable for you to make a decision.
100%, because I'm giving it data, historical data,
Yeah.
10K forms, the filings where companies like say, this is how we performed this year, this is how we performed in 2022, 2021, all the way back even until the beginning of the company when they started, sorry, not the beginning of the company, when they got listed on the NYSE, for example.
Yeah.
So I have that information and I use AI to just distill, just help me get a trend of where we're going.
Summarize it,
summarize it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that I don't have to read all those pages.
Yeah.
So that's an idea that I use AI. But back to your first question. Basically, oh gosh, what was it again?
Also, now I'm also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, thanks.
Thanks. Yeah. So 40 million in a day.
In one day. And I was just like, it's just, my concern was how he said it with a straight face. Because I had to go online and just like, I'm just trying to think and calculate, like, how is this even possible?
Click farming, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Engagement farming, which is good. No hate to that dude. No hate to that guy. I don't know him personally.
Yeah.
Whatever it is that he's doing for himself, and if he is making that kind of money, good for him.
No, 40 is crazy, man.
Yeah, no way. 40 million, like that's hedge fund
I need
bank
to see
level.
That portfolio. Yeah, that's what companies report as profits.
Exactly. And you want to tell me this individual with a phone, armed with a phone, and probably a laptop.
Yes.
Can be these, I don't know.
I don't think it's possible.
That's the same thing. So for me, like, I can come here and show you my portfolio confidently and show the audience and the viewers right now, this is what's going on.
Yeah.
And there's some positions I'm actually down. So if they're able to do the same thing and back it up with data.
40 is crazy.
Then I'll be like, you know what, bro, you're actually winning. I don't even know why you're in this country.
Yeah.
You should be in Dubai.
You need to be in Dubai. Actually, Dubai is the minimum you should be.
That's the minimum. Yeah. You should be in Dubai. You should be driving Lambos.
Yep.
You should be with all the Latinas that usually just come there to just,
Yes, Russians, Ukrainians.
Yeah, man, you shouldn't be hanging out with us. We're not at the same level.
I'm just trying to see and calculate probably USD is at 130.
Let's say 130.
$300,000
in a day. I'm telling you, bro. Like, if someone is making 300K a day,
that's crazy, man. Come on,
bro. You should. I wouldn't even be here. JT,
it makes no sense.
Yeah, I wouldn't be here. Doing what here?
Yeah. What are we talking about?
What are we talking about, bro?
You could be advising like stakeholders in companies, banks, and everything.
100%. They will want my services. And they'll pay top dollar. If I'm making 300K, I'll be like, you know what? To work with me for a month, minimum, half a million dollars.
Yeah,
minimum. This is the starting.
Yeah, because I can push that.
I can push that. So if you give me more money, I'll make 300,000, 300 million.
And I think that's the thing. Like even for your case, I wanted to ask. So I'm guessing you're not. I had in my mind, I thought you're almost like a day trader.
No.
So I think that's good just for you to clarify because I'm seeing like now your approach is more conventional and much, much safer.
Yeah, super, super long term. I don't even listen to whatever it is going on in the news because I know this is just like noise.
It'll cloud your judgment.
Yeah.
That's why I'm looking at it, but I have to like stay away from it because now I'm just like, let me just... Because with crypto, we have like those extreme volatilities, which I'm guessing in the stock market, it just doesn't happen like that.
It does. It does as well. But when you look at it like, when you look at it in the grand scheme of things, if you like, say, for example, even if you zoom out that ETH chart to like 5 years, whatever it is that happened today is like this small.
Yeah.
It's just a small thing in the grand scheme of things. Yeah. And that's exactly how I approach my investment philosophy. I'm going to buy something because I can see there is data to back it. And this company is trending in the right direction. They're making good decisions. Yeah. They're making money as well. And from there, their trajectory is expected to grow at this rate. So I want to be an owner in that company because they're doing well and they will pay me back in terms of like my money will appreciate, and I'll also possibly get dividends.
Yeah.
If I get that, I'm winning on two fronts without having. I just work once, and that's it.